Welcome to a short overview video on how to ingest and manage data from any source in Visier People's analytics platform. You can ingest data into Visier in many ways, including using our pre-built data connectors. Using public APIs from HR cloud solutions such as Workday, SAP, Oracle, UKG, and more, Visier is able to retrieve data using REST and SOAP APIs. Visier leverages JDBC APIs for sourcing data from data lakes such as Redshift, Snowflake, Google BigQuery, and more. Connected credentials that are saved in Studio, Visier's admin experience, can then be used in projects to ingest data. Customers can also upload flat file data extracts securely via an SFTP site, or you can also send data directly from your source systems to Visier using a direct data intake API, which treats your platform objects as direct data targets. To learn more about connectors, visit visier.com/connectors. Visier supports an open analytics ecosystem by enabling users to export data processed through Visier into other applications. Users with the appropriate data security access can export data into flat files or further downstream into systems such as data warehouses or other analytical tools including Power BI or Jupyter Notebook. Customers can access Visier's metrics of the platform by embedding it into portals, performing additional analysis, or feed data and metrics into another data store. You can also use our data query APIs and data model APIs to securely and directly query Visier to retrieve data at either an aggregate or detail level. Once your data has been loaded, Visier has a data validation guidebook and explore feature to validate configurations. Here, administrators are guided through analysis to help quickly pinpoint which data elements need cleaning or to be addressed later or even ignored. Visier makes it easier to identify inconsistent values, misspelled or missing figures, and helps you understand if there are structural or logical problems with your data. As you can see here, we have employment status whose numeric mapping was mixed up, leading to only 22 active employees. On employment type, we can see that seasonally and seasonal meant the same thing, but was saved in two different ways, leading to discrepancies. And under overtime exemption status and union bargaining status, it seems to indicate that this field was not filled up in the HCM. Visier enables you to report a data issue and receive alerts when data discrepancies or significant changes occur. For example, while looking through employee details, a user with appropriate permission can flag an event that occurred but hasn't been captured by internal systems, or flag incorrect values such as a job name. Administrators can also receive an alert when certain data quality thresholds are met and work to resolve those issues. The alerts can be system-defined or user-defined, monitoring individual employee records or an overall metric. The alerts and issues are monitored through Studio. Once customers have successfully completed the validation, they can then release the changes and they will be reflected in a production environment. Visier brings all your HR data together and can blend with business data for a complete picture of your businesses. Our Studio experience includes everything you need to go from raw data to people insights fast while ensuring no user downtime or disruption.